Can't be talking to y'all with crusty lips. Can't do that. Hold on one second. I love this stuff. Organic. Alright. Hi, my crafty family. I missed you guys so much, but your girl is back. And what better way to come back than with the 20,000 subscriber bottle giveaway? That's right, we hit 20,000 family members. Now let's get to this giveaway. You guys voted and you picked the faux stained glass wine bottle. Now I know it doesn't look all bright like it does in the video, but that's because I don't have it in natural light. That's when it looks really bright and it pops when you put it in the windowsill and the sun hits it. It looks amazing. Right now, this is just indoor light and that's what it looks like. Now, one thing I'm gonna say is if you are going to place this on your windowsill, you're gonna want to seal it with some sort of a UV protectant sealer, because I don't keep this on my windowsill. I keep it on a shelf, and whenever I want to show somebody, if they come over, I'll put it in the windowsill and they get to see it in its full glory. But meanwhile, it's on the shelf, just sitting there. If you want to display it on your windowsill or somewhere where the light is going to be hitting it 24/7, you're going to want to seal it with a UV sealer. And I believe they have some online. If I find some, I will leave the link down below. So whoever gets this bottle, or any of you who have made any of this project, you can seal it, and yeah, you won't have a problem with the UV rays. So let's get to the rules. So you have to be subscribed, you have to like the video, and you have to leave a comment down below. Don't forget, if you want to enter the contest for the bottle, you have to be subscribed, like this video, and leave a comment down below. And it can be anything. You could just be like, enter. You can, if you don't want to write something big, it doesn't have to be a huge comment. Just put a number, a letter. It can be anything, really. Good luck to whoever the winner is. I will be announcing the winner in a week. I wish I could give every single one of you something, but that's impossible. Instead, though, I will be making a thank you video. And it's not like most thank you videos. It's something that I've been working on, because there are no amount of words that I can possibly say to show you my gratitude for reaching this goal of mine and this milestone in my life. It may not be a big deal to others, but to me it is. And you'll see why soon enough. So while I'm working on that, I will be putting out some other videos and projects that I've also been working on while I was gone. Yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. This video was solely just to give out this bottle. I miss you guys so much. I will be back, I promise. I want to thank all of my family members, whether you're new or been here since the beginning. And I want to thank all of you who have been checking up on me and inboxing me and DMing me while I've been gone to see if I was okay. I'm okay, y'all. I'm always going to be good. We all have hard times. We all fall on hard times. Things happen, even though I be feeling like, you know, my life be mad funny and trolly. And I just can't believe the amount of stuff that happens back to back to me. But that's okay. It's all good. I'm blessed, I'm healthy, I have my family, I have my loved ones, and I have all of you. Also, just a quick shout out to my girl Karen from Hair Cuttery. Thank you so much for hooking your girl up with the cut. Thanks for watching, and always remember, do it yourself. There's no need to cry. Bye. And to do the 20,000 subscriber 18 year blah, 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 blah. The faux stained glass peacock. Take 2. Take 7. I hate this camera.